Hello guys, it's Running Kimono, and we have a deal for free all detergent over at Walgreens. This deal, I'm going to say to do it ASAP because I think the IBOTTA rebate is going to go really, really quickly. It's just a feeling I have from the million years of couponing I've been doing. So if you remember, we have this digital $1.50 that was there on Sunday. It's valid right up until Saturday the 28th. So if you haven't even touched this guy, hey, we have a really good deal for you. But if you've used it and bought either the blue one or the white one, we still have a deal for you. So if you look on your IBOTTA rebate, there's two. There's one for this free and clear, which is for if you're sensitive skin, that sort of thing, for either the packs or the detergent. And this is on the IBOTTA app. And before people come for me in the comments and say, you have it wrong, if you look at the fine print, it says offer valid on the following sizes: under 88 ounces, under 39 count. So it is for the smaller one. The larger one, there are $2 rebates for that. So that's what that specifically means, because they have various sizes in the line that are different ounces, but it's for the smaller ones. Okay, so looking at this first one, grabbing one of the alls for $2.99, subtracting that $1.50 digital, you'll pay $1.49, get $1.50 back from IBOTTA, making it free. The limit for this is one, as that digital coupon is of a one-time use. Now, if you did this deal earlier in the week, don't worry, guys. You can still claim that rebate 7 days post on IBOTTA. So just find your receipt and send it off to IBOTTA, and you'll get that $1.50 back, making it free for you. At home, guys, I just took a smaller all that I bought a couple weeks back, and here I am scanning it with the IBOTTA app, and boom, as you can see, it's a matched product. The limit for this is 5. Now, I don't have that digital. I went and got fabric softener, but I do have 2 of these $5 register rewards. So I just cooked up a deal with register rewards that we have been getting from Crest, so just kind of looking at this deal in a different way. I'm going to grab 5 of the all detergents for $2.99 a pop. That's $14.95. I'm going to present 2 $5 register rewards. Now, when the cashier is scanning my merchandise, I'm going to make sure that the cashier scans at least 2 of the products, because if the cashier scans one and keys in 4 others, I can only use 1 register reward, because the line there is only 1. It's not 5 or 4 or whatever, however many you're going to scan. So anyhow, hopefully that's crystal clear. But if the cashier scans 1 and keys in 4, your line is 1. Thus, if you're going to use 2 register rewards, you need 2 lines in your receipt. It's $10 off with the 2 register rewards. I'm also going to throw in $4 of Walgreens cash. I'm going to pay 95 cents plus the tax, and then as I'm in the store, I'm photographing that receipt to IBOTTA. I'm going to get $7.50 back, making each one like what, $1.50 each. That's fantastic. This all detergent is usually $6.99 a pop. This is super smart. If you want to get a mix of the blue and the white ones, you can do that. Or if your store will allow it, I know some stores are really limiting the purchase of paper and detergent. If you can, and you know your store best, possibly grab the 10 for $30 and work a deal like this. And you would get $15 back from IBOTTA if you doubled it. As always, thanks for watching. Good luck with this one, guys. When you're in the parking lot at Walgreens, I would open up your IBOTTA app, double, triple check that it's still there, because possibly what might happen is the rebate might disappear if everybody and their grandmother is doing this deal. Good luck.